How to sign in Webex. If you are trying to sign into your Webex account, the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Chrome app, and once you open up your browser, on the search bar you're just going to head over and search for Webex. And once you have searched for Webex, just type in login right after that, and then hit enter. Now you will be able to log into Webex from here. Click on the first thing that you see here, and you'll be taken to the official website for Webex. Now from here on out, you're going to have a pop-up saying you can adjust your cookie settings. Then you have two options here. If you want to join a meeting, click right here. If you want to sign in, do this, or if you're completely new, you can click on sign up. I'm just going to click on sign in. Here you're going to have to provide your email address that has been registered to your account. Then tap on next. And then once that is done, you'll be asked to enter a code from your email. Now, as you can see, I'm on my loading screen and I have successfully logged in. The reason I didn't have to enter the code from my email is because I've recently logged into it and my login info was saved here. But if you are logging in into a different device, you have to make sure that you enter the code that you get on your email. So that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.